If you have seen the movie Uri, which got released in 2019 January, you would have definitely noticed this flying object. Yes, I'm talking about the drone that was used in the movie. The drone used in the movie was in the shape of a Persian falcon, a real-life bird, and was actually used by Indian Army to detect the location of the terrorists before the strike. But do you know the drone that was used in the movie was not the actual drone used by the Indian Army? Well, this is what I'm going to talk in today's video, so keep watching. To start off, I would first like to talk about the specifications of the drone that was shown in the movie. The range of the drone was 12 kilometers, endurance was 4 hours, camera was 16 megapixel, zoom was 7.2x digital. The sensors which included was infrared, night vision and GPS. Takeoff and recovery was manual, and it could also hover. That was a cool piece of technology that was shown in the movie, but it is quite hard to believe that such a technology existed in 2016. The reason why I'm talking about this is because the surgical strike took place on 29th of September 2016, but the drone that was used in the movie was launched in 2017 by a company called Aerial Analytics. The name of the drone is AeroBird and the company is based out of Canada. The robotic drone is a Persian falcon and it replicates the flapping of the wings exactly like the bird and also uses the same tactics used by the bird to attack the birds. The drone was primarily designed to ward off the birds in the fields which destroy the crop. It is also used to ward off the birds in other places like dumping grounds, sanitation areas. Other uses of this drone is 3D modeling, air monitoring, which is used by the Canadian airport right now to ward off the birds, which are a big reason for the bird strike, which caused a lot of damage to the aircraft. The company has used 3D technology and materials like polyplastic and nylon that makes it super light and easy to lift up when the wings start flapping, which really helps the drone to mimic a real-life bird. 3D printing is doing wonders, and this is sure shot an example of what it is capable of. Now you can also have cars that are made up of 3D printing, so imagine what lies in future. The drone is extremely light and it weighs only 750 grams as compared to the commercial drones out there in the market like the Mavic Pro 2, which I have personally used. It weighs around 2 kilograms, which I can actually compare the difference between these two. In the movie it is shown that the drone can fly up to 4 hours, but in reality the battery backup is not more than 10 to 15 minutes because that is the time ideal required to scare away the birds from the field or at the airport. The only sensor that comes with this drone is the audio sensor inside the speaker, and the speaker is basically to make the sound of the falcon in order to scare the birds away. All other sensors mentioned like the GPS, the infrared and the night vision are all missing. It's a big lie. The range mentioned in the movie is around 12 to 14 kilometers, which is absolutely not true because the maximum range of this drone is 2 kilometers, and if you go with the aerial height as mentioned in the drone laws, from 200 to 500 meters. In the movie it is shown that the drone can hover in one place where it was standing in front of the window and hovering in one position. Well, that is not true with the real one because the real drone cannot do that. And most important specification, the 16 megapixel night vision camera. As the biggest lie, because the real drone does not comes with a camera at all. Having said all that, let's come back to the movie. So the drone shown in the movie was actually a full gimmick, a lie? Well, I don't think so. Okay, let's break it down. The drone had 16 megapixels of camera, night vision, GPS, infrared. It can go up to 12 kilometers and the battery life was 4 hours. If this is a combat or a warfare drone, definitely it exists. It is practical from defense point of view, but for security reasons it was not shown in the movie. This is what I believe. Other than that, I really do not have the right facts to prove that it was used or not, but I have already shown you that the drone used in the movie was not the real one. Alright guys, this is it. I hope you have enjoyed the video and would be quite surprised to know the facts of this movie. I'll see you on the other side of the video. Do write in the comment section how do you feel about the video and also about knowing this nifty fact about the movie. Please like the video if you found it interesting and do subscribe to my channel. All that said, see you in the next video.